Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Shoaib Education. In this video we are going to learn 10 lines essay on my school bag. So let's start. I have a sweet light red school bag. It has very useful and keeps my things safe. I take my school bag to school daily. I pack my school bag. My mother has taught me how to pack my school bag neatly. There is picture of sweet doll on my school bag. I take care of my school bag. My school bag has many small pockets. My mother keep my lunch box inside my school bag. I keep my books in one big pocket inside. I love my school bag.